Alright ladies, so first we are going to take the light blue shade in the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and we're going to put that in our crease, kind of as our transition color. I honestly didn't really like it, so in a few minutes you'll see I'll switch it to the turquoise color and that comes out better. This light blue color was like a little chalky for me. Alright, this is that turquoise color I was talking about. We're going to use this as our transition shades to help all our blues blend in together. Next, I'm taking this royal blue color on like a pencil brush, and I am going to use that right in my crease. I'm going to put it directly in my crease, and then I'm going to blend it upwards so it can diffuse into that turquoise shadow that we use. And this royal blue color is by MAC. I don't know the name of the color right now, but I'll definitely put it down in the description bar. Alright, as you see here, I've already finished one eye. So now I'm going to begin to cut my crease. And I am using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. And the way my crease is set up, I have to put the cut crease a little bit above my actual crease so that my shadows and my glitter doesn't transfer onto my upper lid. So we're just going to sit here and go ahead and finish cutting that crease, girl. Now I'm taking that royal blue color again, and I'm gonna put it on my outer V. And I decided to do this on top of the concealer so it can kind of be like a gradient and not the exact same color as the cut crease color. As you see here, it's a little bit lighter than the actual crease color, and I just wanted to make like a gradient effect. Now we're going to go ahead and take that light blue color and put it all over our crease, all over our lid as a base color for our glitter.
That's good.
Now I'm using the NYX glitter glue and a glitter that I found out of my local beauty supply store, and I'm just going to put that glitter glue all over that light blue color, and then I'm going to apply the glitter itself right on top. Now I've already did all of my foundation and everything, and here you'll just see me finishing putting on my concealer, and you're gonna watch me do the rest of my face, and then I'll be back again and we're gonna do our lower lid. Now for the lower lash line, I'm doing the exact same thing that I did on the top. I'm taking the royal blue color first, applying that, and then I'll go on top of it with the light blue shade to give it more of a smoky eye look. And I'm also gonna apply a black eyeliner inside of the waterline. For my lips, I went ahead and lined them with a NYX brown liner, and then I used 3 different shades to create a lip color. I'll put all 3 shades down in the description box below.
That's good.
Now, I was a little extra with my gloss today, well, my lips in general. I applied 2 different glosses. One is just a regular gloss by L'Oreal, which is that one right here, and the next one is going to be a lip gloss from MAC, and I'll just put the name of everything down below. And this is the finished look, ladies. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.